Are you okay? What are you looking for?
I feel something. Presence I haven't felt in many years. It feels mysterious.
Tech?
Don't steal my line! Yes, it's mystery tech time! Thank you for the hot socks. What the? I'm not sure what you're trying to tell me about my sock game. I'm very proud of my Adidas.
Jesus.
I'm impressed that I was able to kick my shoe off and do that one.
Can you move your leg?
What an interesting visualization of heated socks.
Or athlete's foot?
Importantly, this is 100% safe. We'll find out about that.
I don't know.
Inside, wow, there's socks. Holy, this is heavy. Oh, this is a smart battery. 4,800 milliamp hours? That's the same size batteries like your phone. Because of how they function, battery-powered heated products may cause discomfort or burns. What happened to 100% safe? Usually charge for this, but today we're gonna get a little sock action for free. Look at that. Look how big that sock is. That's a lot. It looks like I've got like a wire on or something. Oh yeah, when you stand on them, you definitely feel it's quite warm. You have the thermal camera?
I do.
Can you just get a shot of this? Are they hot yet, Ken? Are they hot yet?
Oh, you can see the coil.
All right, let's see here. Can I actually leave an imprint of these socks on the floor? All right, ready?
Yep.
You got a footprint?
Uh-huh.
This might be one of the rare items on Mystery Tech that works as advertised. But this is, what the hell is that? Hey, this is my item. Did you take this out of my office?
Yeah.
I'm not supposed to tell people about my Warmie.
Your Warmie? You
My
named
Warmie.
it?
No, that's the name of it. Since Ken so rudely snooped through my office, let me show you my little buddy, the Warmie. This is a friendly, adorable little sloth. But his secret weapon is, he's meant to be microwaved.
What?
Not kidding with you. Most little dudes don't belong in the microwave, but this one does. Thank you very much, my friends.
Do you want to dust off the top at all?
Nope,
Oh.
that's fine. Goodbye, little buddy. Hopefully you come out much warmer.
Jesus.
All right, let's see. Yeah, he's a little warm. Is this a Lego mechanical keyboard?
Would you be happy that it is?
Unclear, depends on how it looks. So as someone who has dabbled a bit in keyboards, this looks expensive. Matt's face ensures that my fears have been confirmed.
It's not the most expensive we've ever had on this channel.
That does not make me feel any better, Matt. Thankfully, while there are like what looks like to be studs underneath, there is like a sort of clear plastic acrylic over them. So you're touching what just feels like a regular keyboard. It does oh my God, okay, it's a USB A to C with studs on it. So you can literally put Lego bricks on your cable. All right, you know what? I think I'm warming up to this. And it is Bluetooth. So we've got 2.4 as well as Bluetooth built in, which is nice. How much was this very colorful Lego inspired keyboard?
You want to take a guess?
Considering that this is a full custom shell, which means to be fair, it feels like just Legos, but obviously there's a lot more involved in it than that. And what is a relatively nice keyboard to type on, I'm gonna say $250.
So this one is $280.
I was pretty close.
So these are custom T and custom L switches.
I can believe it. They do feel unlike anything I've ever tried before. I need to make some kind of design.
If only our company had a logo.
He needed to look.
Oh my God.
That's pretty good, right? That's pretty good. All right, I'm gonna try to do the typing test. I'm not gonna do well. 54 words per minute. Yeah, you can get used to this. If you look at this and you think that this looks dope, then you should go for it. Honestly, it's a wireless keyboard. You obviously can plug it in via USB-C. The fact that it's got this little like Lego brick cable is incredibly cool. The Matts of the world will enjoy it.
Lego!
Lighthouse. This is the Neon Lighthouse T1. When we took a look at YouTube sponsor scans, we took a look at a wide variety of different items that had been emailed to me as pitches to potential sponsors. And while some of them in that video were actually good, this one just didn't show up. Like straight up didn't show up. So now that it's here, let's take a look. So this is small. It's pretty lightweight. So this is just what it does when it lights up, which I will say the gradients, it looks nicely diffused. Let me change the modes here. Let's explore. Whoa! Actually, the animation is...
Wait. Test?
Oh, wow.
I don't have a lot of good things to say about this, but at least looks cooler than I thought it would.
Hello, it is me, Austin. See, I disappeared. You can't find me now, can you? Boo. Oh, it burns! Why does it say hazmat surface? Is there something dangerous in here?
Yeah, toxic.
It's a mouse pad made of...
We're censoring that. So this is the Genki Waveform. Now I saw a Kev Kenson video on these. They're headphones that are meant to be used, I mean obviously you can use them for anything, but they're kind of a little bit more meant for like the Switch and whatnot. So you can connect and mix two audio sources. So essentially you could have, say, your Switch paired as well as your phones or Discord or whatever on your computer or something. And there's also, oh yes, okay, this is the part I'm most excited about. So last year we did a video on Kickstarter scams, and one item that was absolutely not a scam was the original version of the Genki Covert dock. Look how tiny this is! Hey! It works! I'm successfully smashing. This Switch right now is currently connected via one USB-C cable to the dock, which is providing it power and then spitting an HDMI signal out to the TV. I mean, it's not like the world's best charger, it's only like 20 watts, but the fact that you can completely get rid of your Switch dock and plug this directly in, solid, it's cool, I like it. The Genki Waveform headphones. Oh my good lord, that is huge actually. Nah. This is a pair of my Sony LinkBuds S, the headphones that have been in my pocket for close to a year now, and this is the Waveform. It is a big chunky boy. Not that there's anything against big chunky boys or anything, but leave the earbuds in the case, connect the case to an audio source via Type-C, wait till the light disappears. This is not as cool as I thought. You actually have to plug it into the case. The case is a USB-C like audio interface, which then sends it. So it's not like it just automatically works.
No. It's very niche. I think I like this more.
So theoretically, I have now, via Bluetooth, paired my Z Flip, an Android device, to these headphones. At the same time, I have an iPhone connected via USB-C to Lightning. So if I've done this correctly, I can now hear from both sources at the same time. I'm gonna start out by playing something on the iPhone and seeing if that actually works. I'll play, this is video. What else would I ever wanna watch? Now I'm gonna play some music. I hear them both. Now, how do I mix them though? I guess I actually just change the volume settings, right? So if I wanted to say turn my music down and then turn my audio up. Yeah, so you literally just adjust the levels on each side. This actually works. A little complicated setup, but once you get it set up, that actually works completely fine. How much are these earbuds?
They were $250.
Oh no, nope. These LinkBuds are cheaper, sound far better, and if you've got devices that are compatible with it, you can do a little bit of that mixing between devices. Okay. This is a very large box. Thank you very much. Does anyone know what this is?
Sort of. I opened it up enough to know where it's from.
This is a item from Grid. Now, if you're not familiar, Grid is a company who make a lot of these little like framed pieces of technology. We actually had bought some for a previous episode of Mystery Tech. So did we order this or did they just send it?
They sent it to us in the P.O. box.
Okay, well thank you very much, Grid. I appreciate this like legit wax and an actual plant. Yep, smells like a plant. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, well, maybe not.
I think that's a little bit anticlimactic. What is this? This is it. What? What is this?
No, Austin.
What?
Read. Just read.
I can't read.
There's instructions.
Just, it's on the top.
Okay. Open the back plate, remove the sponge and white paper, put the back plate back. Oh, okay.
Thank God this is not the Declaration of Independence.
I know, right? Nick Cage is rolling over in his grave.
No one let me do that.
Cage is still alive.
No.
Debatable.
Oh.
3, 2, 1. Ta-da!
Oh!
It is every bit of Apple chip-like activities. Each one's a little enamel pen.
All right, I like this.
This is actually really cool. This is interesting because it also shows the prices and the years of each of these. And it's kind of interesting to see. This part is the cheaper stuff, and they got more expensive here and was way more expensive up here. Thank you very much, Grid. This is very, very cool. The Ambernic RG353M. There was a This Is several months ago where Matt was excited to show me an Ambernic. Now, if you're not familiar, these are little like emulation handhelds. And by the time I sat down to shoot the video with Matt, the Ambernic had died.
Is it actually dead?
It's not turning on.
This thing is really cool if it wasn't just spontaneously dead right before we hit the record button.
I played with it.
Have you, what? You played with the mystery tech item before we shot it?
I want to make sure you got the full experience with it.
I wanted to make sure that the food tasted good before you ate it, so.
Might be dead because I played it so much, but.
All right. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Okay. Oh, this is kind of small, isn't it? Oh, that's neat. It's actually metal.
Oh, word?
Wow. It's like very cold to the touch. Bunch of stuff here. So we have a couple of slightly loose feeling sticks. You got yourself a D-pad, which feels better. You got your face buttons, which do also feel pretty solid. We've got, mini HDMI. We've got USB-C for charging and OTG, which I assume you can use that for video out. We've also got actually some very clicky top buttons. Built-in rechargeable battery. Only can use certified charger. The battery may explode in the fire.
Oh, Austin knows what that's like.
What sets this apart from
Yeah.
other ones is this can dual boot both Android and Linux.
Oh, that's cool.
Might be dead.
We'll be right back after we charge the Ambernic. This has gotten a little uncomfortably warm while charging, which doesn't fill me with a lot of confidence. We're now in. So I'm assuming that this is loaded into Linux mode. There are also quite a number of games here. Wow.
So one of those SD cards that's pre-installed comes with a bunch of games.
Now I don't know what the spec of this is.
Oh, what is that?
Oh boy, that audio is not good.
Ooh.
Oh my god. What in the inverted hell are these controls? How do I shoot? What's my shoot button? Oh, I found it. Okay. Yikes. That was not good. All right. Gran Turismo. Performance looks really quite nice, actually. Which shouldn't be a surprise, because PS1 is not incredibly difficult to run. Go! Third place! No! How did I not get that third place? Okay, that was 1/100th of a second. There's a lot of emulation tools on here, and not all of them work as well as the others. So I think it's one of those things where if you spend a little bit of time, you'll clearly be able to understand which ROMs and which games are gonna run better than others and which emulators will run. Okay, so theoretically, my Linux OS is on this SD card, which has been removed, which means it should boot into some flavor of Android. So this does have a ton of emulators already installed, including Dolphin. Okay, how much is the Ambernic?
Buying it through Amazon, I paid $160 for this.
I think a lot of people will be very happy with this Ambernic, right? It's neat, it works fairly well, the hardware is really nice. I have some small concerns, but at the price, I can't really complain. It's cool, but it's probably not as good as the phone in your pocket, or the phone that you're watching this video on right now. This is the Garmin Esports? Wait, Garmin make esports watches? How is this esports? It doesn't tell me any reason why. It just says Instinct Esports.
Use StreamUp, the ESA 3, to broadcast your stress level and heart rate to game streams.
So that's the real move here. This is meant for streamers who want to stream your heart rate and your stress level as you're dying for the 17th time in a row for Valorant. Not that I would know about anything about that. Okay, so this is very Garmin-y. I don't say that with any shade. I'm saying that with shade, a lot of shade.
Okay, you joke, but these Garmin watches apparently are not that bad.
Oh wow, that actually was a very seamless, easy process. Is this actually not garbage? How tall are you? 5'9", where did I come up with that? I'm just gonna bump up here, 6'2".
Uh-huh.
Okay, apparently I'm already at 1,348 resting calories for the day.
Takes a lot of energy to be 6'3", when you're not.
I think that's what we call short king energy.
Yeah, I'm 6'2" in spirit. Okay, so you're seeing live on my phone what the actual heart rate is. So I'm gonna start by calibrating and doing some jumping jacks, okay? Okay, so 99, 102. Okay, we're getting it up there. So I just think while I was actually jumping around, it couldn't get a good accurate reading. 112, 111, okay. So seems to be relatively accurate, I guess. So to properly test the esports watch, of course, I gotta be a gamer. I gotta show my elite pro self exactly how to do this. I hope this day would never come. The Tommy Hilfiger 3-in-1 gaming set with a high quality keyboard. I can tell how bad this is just by looking at it. Mouse and gaming headset. I heard that Linus did a video and he really loved this. Please tell me that this is not expensive.
Oh, you would be wrong.
How much could they be charging for this nonsense that they just slapped a label on and called it a day? How much is it?
150.
Pesos?
Even worse for Linus that he had to pay Canadian for it.
He probably paid 7,000 Canadian dollars for this. Okay.
Yeah, that's like 5,000 Timbits.
Sounds like it's a damn cathedral in here. Okay, mouse, super high quality. Let's take a look at the keyboard. This keyboard is exactly as generic as a random $4 keyboard on Wish should be. Like, it doesn't even have feet. All right, let's go to the headset. How could it possibly get any worse? It's not even a USB headset. It's just got USB for the RGB. I have to plug in my mic and my USB-A is on this side and my headphone jack's on this side. So I have to pick one or the other.
Well, okay, plug in the USB first. I want to see what the RGB looks like. Or R. Yeah, that's what I
Look
thought.
cool? Do I look cool yet? Because that's the only option.
Yeah.
What do the gamers listen to?
Sea Shanty 2.
Sea Shanty 2. You know what? Even this terrible headset can't make me not appreciate Sea Shanty 2.
Gaming.
Yeah, these don't sound good. I just like Sea Shanty 2 a lot. Should we try to plug in and listen to what the mic sounds like?
What's up, gamers? Today, your buddy Hilfiger 95 is here to give you a hot tutorial on the latest and greatest Fortnite hacks.
You know, that's
Not actually bad.
yeah, that's not
actually
as
bad.
criminal as I thought it was gonna be.
The fact they slapped the Tommy Hilfiger brand on it and charge you an extra $100?
Man, it's for your mom walking through Macy's and she's shopping for Christmas.
I would make her return it. I want Tommy Hilfiger. I want real gamer gear. That's mechanical, that's heavy, and that makes me sound like a scuffed 12-year-old playing Call of Duty. Mom. Typical mom.